Yes.
When Mommy's gone, I'm in charge.
When Mommy's gone, you're in charge?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know about that. I don't know if that's the way the pecking order is supposed to go there, Sophie.
Changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and this is Katie, and today Katie and I are going to get our hair done. We're getting ready to swing by Starbucks, and I will have to hold on to mine for a while because of intermittent fasting. Then we're going to go see our friend Allison and get our hair done. Meanwhile, Gary and Sophie are doing school, so hopefully Gary will vlog a little bit of that and we'll see how she does with school with him.
Now, y'all don't get on to me because I worked ahead for today, so I don't have school today.
Yeah, she did all of her work for today. She just kind of spread it out. She kind of spread it out throughout the week. So she's done with school. She's on her weekend now. Yay!
Is Daddy gonna do your school with you today?
Don't know.
Yeah, he is. Because Mommy and Katie went to go get their hair done this morning, and so Daddy is in charge of school. Y'all pray for me today, please. We're gonna do good today?
Yeah.
All right. How's it going?
Yeah.
So far, so good, Sophie?
No.
Not? It's not going well? No.
What, Daddy?
Okay, wait.
What kind of ready you can
So
find?
bag. Where's the other bag? Yeah.
Yeah. What kind
Okay.
when the exactly what you can find?
LED. LED. Yeah.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time.
Okay, so we're here. We stopped by Starbucks. We did my trick where we pour it into the cup, and that is surprisingly hard in the car. So, and they didn't have the egg bites that Katie wanted. I went ahead and tried a different one because I am going to need to eat later, and Katie did not. So I think she's going to eat her popcorn snack for breakfast. I don't know.
Well, I thankfully packed blueberry muffins, so I hope that will. That's
you
probably my breakfast. That won't hold me for like an hour.
All right, we're going to go in here and see Allison.
I can be anything, whatever you want me to be. It's a call to the ring. I'm throwing up my gloves and my back against the ropes. I got nowhere to go.
All right.
I like Donkey Kong.
Donkey Horse is giving us a lot of help. Thank you, Donkey Horse.
Thank you.
This struggle got purpose and we grow. So whatever road we have to take next, all I need to know is that we'll roll with the punches. 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 Took a dive and went out.
Okay, that one was there.
Yeah.
What word is that?
Well.
Where? Yes. You got it. Yeah. Tell everybody, we made it. We did it.
Can I tell anybody?
Tell everybody that we did it.
We made it and we did.
That's right. We did all of her school.
And Donkey Horse telling me what road.
Yeah, Donkey Horse helped you out today. And me and you, we did it, didn't we? Didn't we? High five. Woo! Yeah, we're going to Chick-fil-A and we are going to have a little Sophie and Daddy date lunch while Mommy and Katie are getting their hair done. And then after we eat at Chick-fil-A, we're going to take them to Chick-fil-A to where they're getting their hair done so they can have some lunch too.
Okay, we're back from getting our hair done. Look at Katie's hair. Turn around, let them see the curls. Isn't that pretty? She curled it.
I love it so much.
And so Sophie ended up with us at one point because Gary also had an appointment. They delivered my IKEA stuff, so I'll show you that. This is a lot of work that I'm gonna be doing soon. So I'm basically ripping out my closet and replacing it with an IKEA pack system. Then I'm gonna go through all my clothes again and really pare them down and put them in the new closet system. So basically I'm on a roll with closets lately. I just wanna kind of go ahead and get this done. So, you know, I did my closet in the laundry room, then the pantry, and now I'm gonna tackle my room. And so I have an extreme closet declutter video. I'll link that up there. And I feel like when I got done with that, I had gotten rid of so much stuff, but then there was so much still left. So I just feel like I need a total redo. And part of the problem that I had was that I didn't have a dresser or anywhere to store stuff. I had no drawers at all. So it just was really difficult to have a place to put all those loose things that you don't hang up. So someone had mentioned on the video that I should try an IKEA system. So we decided to do that. So I've got to rip out the wire shelving, patch the walls, paint the walls, and then install this stuff here. So that's what I'm going to be doing for my next project. You're a Visco girl?
Yeah.
What is a Visco girl, Sophie?
Little girl will wear scrunchies.
They wear scrunchies?
Yeah.
Do you have a scrunchie?
Yeah.
Let me see. On your legs?
She has like 5 on her leg.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
That ankle.
On your ankle?
Yeah.
You don't have it in your hair, you have it on your ankle instead?
Yeah.
That is funny.
And
So Katie got some lights to go around her ceiling for Christmas from her grandmother. And because we have been doing all the renovations, the laundry room, pantry, and all that kind of stuff, we have not gotten around to putting up her lights. So hopefully that's what we're gonna do right now.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
Okay, we got it installed. We did not have enough to do her whole room. We just had enough to do 2 walls, but we still really like it. She's trying to decide if she wants to buy a couple more to finish her room. It does several different colors. This one's actually purple, but I think on camera it looks the same as like the whitish blue. And it also can flash like this, like where it changes colors. Gary brought some supper back, so gonna have some pizza, watch a movie.
Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head. Cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into in this gamble. Hold me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Like that.